Hi guys! One of our earlier lessons provided us with a glimpse of what pivot tables are and how they function. We learned that pivot tables are Excel's dynamic and interactive tables and are a preferred tool for a number of Excel users. But why is it that so many people enjoy working with them? Well, for starters, pivot tables are capable of summarizing thousands of rows of data in just a few seconds. All we have to do is drag and drop, and we can create the report that we need. No functions are needed when we use pivot tables, which makes them popular among a large number of users. Furthermore, pivot tables are very efficient when the file we are working with exceeds 20 megabytes. Of course, working exclusively with pivot tables has some slight drawbacks. For example, other users won't be able to see how you came up with final numbers. If you work with formulas, your colleagues won't see what stays behind a given number in your reports. Another problem is that pivot tables do not update automatically when the source data is updated. This can be an issue if we want to use them for the purposes of financial modeling. However, even if they have a few cons, pivot tables are definitely one of the top instruments in Microsoft Excel. In the following lessons of this chapter, we will see how they can be applied in practice in order to elaborate large data extractions.